Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is 45 degrees cold enough for a refrigerator? The ideal refrigerator temperature is 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below in the main part of the fridge. The optimal temperature for keeping foods cold is 37 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're wondering what temperature should a refrigerator be, put a thermometer inside your fridge. Is a fridge okay at 50 degrees? Use a thermometer. This doesn't, however, mean that it's a good idea to turn your fridge up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit to save on energy bills, because you are significantly increasing your risk of foodborne illness when food is stored at those temperatures over a long period of time, days rather than hours. What is the ideal refrigerator temp? 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The ideal refrigerator temperature is 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below, according to the Food and Drug Administration, FDA. These temperatures inhibit the growth of microorganisms like Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria, which can cause foodborne illnesses. Is 48 degrees okay for refrigerator? The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, says the recommended refrigerator temperature is below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The ideal freezer temp is below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the ideal refrigerator temperature is actually lower. Aim to stay between 35 degrees and 38 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1.7 to 3.3 degrees Celsius.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.